General Mind Life, welcome. Family question and answer. How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister, and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. How old is your mother? She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any siblings? What's her name? Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary. Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters? No, I am not. I am the second child in my family. What does your father like? My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking. Do your parents let you stay out late? Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents right now? No, but I used to. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us. Restaurant question and answer. How often do you eat out? Who do you go with? I often eat out on weekends when I hang out with my friends. What restaurant do you usually visit? Well, there are not many restaurants in my neighborhood, so my best choice is the Delhi Inn. Convenience stores like the Circle K, Mini Stop, Be Smart. What type of food do you enjoy to eat, Western or Asian? I am interested in Asian food. Western food is not my thing. How much do you usually pay when you eat out? It's not very expensive, just around 5 rupees for each meal. Do you enjoy spicy food? Yes, I do, especially on cold days. Are the servers they are friendly to you? Yes, they are. Most of them are really helpful. Have you ever tried Italian food? Yes, at least once when I was in my friend's wedding party. Are you conscious about calories when eating out? Yes, I am on diet now. So this really matters to me. Are fast food restaurants like KFC or McDonald's famous in your country? Yes, they are. The young in my country are big fans of fast food. Do you often drink alcohol when eating out? No, not often, just when I have parties with my friends. Books, question and answer. How often do you read books? I read books almost every night before I go to bed. What's your favorite type of book? I love reading about different cultures. What can you learn from books? Books can broaden my horizon about thousands of things around the world, and books are also my best friends. Where do you read books? I read books at home, sometimes in the library. What's the most interesting book you have ever read? I think that would be India, a book written about the country of India, published in 1999. How long does it take you to finish a book? Well, it depends on the length of the book, but it usually takes me a week to finish a 300-page book. Do you usually bring books with you when you travel? Yes, I do. When I am at the airport or bus station, I read books to kill time. Is there any bookstore or library in your area? Unfortunately, there are none near my house. The nearest one is 3 kilometers away. A school question and answer. What school did you go to? I went to New English School, founded in 1999. Where is the school located? It is located in Delhi, India. What subject do you like at school? I like English very much. What games do you play at school? I like to play cricket. We play every day. Which teacher do you like the most? I like English teachers the most. Which subject do you like to study the most? I study English more every day at home. Do you like the school uniform? I like we do wear uniforms at school actually. Have you happy with your school? Yes, I am happy with my school. I like school very much. Festival question and answer. How many popular festivals are there in your country? There are many New Year's Day, Makar Sankranti, Mahashivratri, Durgashtami, Dasera, Diwali, etc. What is the most important festival in your country? Diwali, people gather together to welcome the new year. Who can join the festival? It's a day for everybody. Which festival do you like the most? I like Diwali the most. What are you doing this Diwali? My father buys me new clothes and also buys crackers and makes ladus, chudas and many other Diwali dishes at our house. Why is a festival important? It adds structure to our social lives and connects us with our families and backgrounds. Is the festival culturally related? Sure, the festival is an integral part of culture. What do you people do you the festival? People buy new clothes on Diwali, meet relatives and friends and enjoy themselves. They also brush the crackers, light Akashdiva lamps in their homes, make rangoli and a small pot in the courtyard of their homes and celebrate Diwali. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.